Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun dulurde. Hello everyone, I am Denny from Marketing Communication International Class 2 of Telkom University. So here I would like to present our brand activation concept of Nutrende. Okay, then let's jump to the background. Cirende is a traditional village that located in Lewigaja village, South Cimahi district, and people know Cirende is a place where people don't eat rice, but they replace the rice with rasi made from cassava, and Cirende is known as a food independent area. Okay, next we are talking about village overview. There are SWOT in it, which are strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. The first is strength. This village has a good food sustainability system and thus economy creative in the food sector and batik, and it has own cultural ceremonies and etc. And then the next point is weakness, or the cultural that began to be eroded by waves of modernization, camping ground at the peak of the mountain, and also this village is really lack of tourism attraction. And the next point is opportunity. Many parties are curious and want to get involved in digging up more about Cirende, and then this village has been integrated by the government, and people over there are interested in culinary. And the last point is threat. There are several traditional villages uh, which have the same similarity as Cirende, for example like Cikondang as the competitor, and because the location is near and uh, has same cultural customs. Next, we are going to the brand activation concept of Nu Cirende. So our concept is the first we would like to launch and promote VR game in our Instagram and YouTube account, and then VR is being played by the audience, and then the audience got experience from the VR game and attract them to search more information about Cirende. And next we will start promoting 3 days challenge in Nu Cirende official Instagram account, and automatically the audience knew about and how to join 3 days challenge. And then wondering the audience join 3 days challenge, and next they learn how to make rasi, and they are experiencing nyaba over there and also sekolah Sunda. And next and the last one is audience got experience and share their experience in Instagram by tagging hashtag Cirende 3 days challenge and then hashtag Nepangken Unikna Cirende. For the communication objective, the virtual reality games has a purpose that to build awareness of audience through the entertaining, and they will get knowledge. And for the 3 days challenge was made to build audience action to form consumer experience, and talking about what to say and how to say is what to say is Cirende is really different from the others because their own uniqueness and especially their food sustainability system, and make cassava for main food. And how to say is using singkung nu urang benten hayu ka dieu. We are moving to target audience. There are 4 points that I want to explain. The first is geographic. This is for urban and suburban area in Bandung, West Java. And the second one is demographic. This is for male and female, and then 15 years old and above. And this SES is C1 and above, and also for students, college students, and researcher. And the third point is for those who like to travel, to get new experience and new things to learn. And the last point is behavioral. This is for those who seek entertaining and skill developing activities. And then for those who need to change their eating habit, in this case changing rice to rasi. For the new positioning, we have our tagline that is Nu Cirende. That means the word of Nu has 2 meanings. The first is Nepangkeun unikna. We want to share to the uniqueness of Cirende. And the second one is Nu means new. I mean for aiming people to make Cirende well known, and the Cirende is Cirende. So next to the logo, there are 4 points that I want to explain. The first is color. There are 3 colors in the logo. The first is turquoise, means represent 4 chakra, and blue means represent 3rd eye chakra, and the last is purple, means represent chakra color. And point number 2 is person mediating, and the pose of the person in the middle of logo shows the custom of their. And point number 3 is the shape of cassava leaf, means represent the food sustainability. And the last point is outline, means represent that all of them are united in Cirende. Okay, then we move to the mascot. Our mascot name is Kang Ascher. Ascher is abbreviation for Asli Cirende, or originally Cirende. This mascot symbolizes empathic people, loyal, belief in the responsibility of their surroundings, and it represents cassava leaf from that hair and green. And then we move to IMC strategy. We have online and offline. In online platform, we have Instagram. In there, we will post about VR games and 3 days challenge. And then we have IGTV, and also Line official, and then YouTube. And next is multi-sensory effect. There are 6 senses of human. The first is taste. The audience can experience taste by joining 3 days challenge. They can tasting Cirende's traditional foods. And then sound. The audience can hear our jingle production and traditional music of Cirende. And touch. The audience can experience by participating in making of rasi. And then sight. The audience can see the Lowens view in the VR and joining 3 days challenge. And then smell, and the audience can smell the foods that they cook by themselves. And next to the creative strategy, the creative strategy that we have, the first is jingle song, the second is jingle video clip, and the third is city branding video, and the fourth is brand activation video, and the fifth is perform stage. That's all from the presentation about the brain activation concept. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.